go.
Let's go see these hits. I tore his ass up.
Yeah, his ass got rid of. You brought that paper out with him today.
We got that YC motherfucker. Ah, shit! That motherfucker Hux just burnt the fuck out of me.
That shit hot.
We got that YC motherfucker. Oh, you already had one in the chamber. We throwing that right back in. We going FRT. We ain't fucking around. Oh, you gotta let this motherfucker run all the way through? Yeah. Shit, this bitch got the... Damn, yeah, boy.
What that say? Let me see it.
That bitch, yeah, that's that YC motherfucker. That motherfucker shoot better than that super safety.
Hell yeah, way better.
It's more like,
Way better.
it's faster.
Way better, bro.
You ain't bringing no super safe with you today, did you?
Alright, that's the only gun I brought.
Damn. That 5.5